divine beings are the minutest of the minute. They are even beyond the subatomic particles. And you have to know how to hold hands with it and then walk. And this is Jesus. This is what Jesus said when he was arrested by the Roman soldiers. Peter wanted to fight with them, and then he said, put the sword down. And then he said, if my Father had wanted, he would have sent an angel. What would the angel do? The angel will do everything, because the angel has omniscience, omnipotence, and omnipresence. The Father is not just a metaphor. The Father is real. And Jesus' plan to bring heaven on earth is real. As it is in heaven, the earth plane should become as it is in heaven. It is possible. It's a matter of evolution, and not get identified with exclusively the flesh and blood. This is not it. This corruption will not inherit the kingdom. Period. Paul. In the wink of an eye, the body will turn into light. So this is the technology behind it. I can talk about any number of mechanisms of action. I'm working with a molecule now for which I've gotten approval for different indications of cancer. I'm not going to go into that. That works. The reason why I'm saying that works at femtoscale level. Femtosecond is quadrillionth of a second. And how, I was able to discover that? It is because my preoccupation is with the femtosecond, or even beyond that. You should do it in femtoseconds. You will be able, that is evolution. Instead of trying to go to the galaxies where to waste money, because we are going to die without oxygen. So this body, regardless, will die, will pick up diseases and get old, lose energy and die. But what did the yogis, the Siddhas, aspired to and accomplished is, no, this identity should not be with this body. So what I'm saying is that your identity should not be with this science and technology. They are needed to enhance whatever knowledge we have inherited, which is also already in our genes, to work at femtosecond level. You don't want things later on, you want it now. You want to know everything, you want to do everything, you have to be a different human being. That is what made the yogis to go and quantumize their mind. They brought their mind to the quantum state where they found that they are everywhere. They are non-local. It's not that they are here and not there. Purnamada Purnamidham Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnam Eva Vasishyate. This is a yogi. He says, I am full, I am complete. There is only fullness everywhere. And if you take fullness out of fullness, only fullness remains. If you take fullness out of fullness, only fullness remains. And how did he discover that? That is today quantum physics is saying that. So you have to work from that level. Shreem Brzee is that fullness. It will not, it is predominantly, if you will, is a wealth mantra. But it can erase your mind, which is unable at this point to conceive beyond what you can conceive.